I'm gonna make sure we get right into this. Let's do it.
Holy shit, that's Chris from Kenya. Shit.
Hey, he's about it, he waved. Let's go film a video.
Doop 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 doop. Mic'd up on a Sunday. Mic'd up on a Sunday. Ooh. Is that a motherfucking, you know, the thing? Oh my god. Is that the, you got the stick? The stick. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. I'm trying not to, I gotta find the balance of not yelling and then turning the dB up and down and trying to find the balance of the new mic. Let's get right into this. Welcome back. It's your boy, and I'm trying not to yell, but I can't help it. If you guys are new here, my name is Chris, and we are building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We're filming on the GoPro today and the 360 cam. I did a little poll on my Instagram, somewhere right here, last night, and everybody wants to see the 360 cam, but I also like having the GoPro footage. Plus, I got the new mic, and I want to try it out. Today, we are ripping Vermont Backroads. We're going to go have a good time. We're headed to my dad's, and the GTI, for those who don't know, we just got a full retune on the IS38, running 94, and yeah, we're just seeing how it stacks up until we get the new setup going in, which is soon, and be on the lookout. That's all. I don't want to go crazy on the whole rant and ruin your whole time here. Damn it. At the wrong mount. Ah! We are in the whip. Let's get set up here. We'll get a juicy cold start on the stick. I'm just going to call it the stick because that's really funny to me for some reason. And I sound like a goober being like, my 360 camera. Doo-doo-doo. I think it's crazy that you guys are in there. And I'm out here, but you can still hear me. Isn't that sick? Oh. Ooh, a little excess oil in there from last night. Let's boogie. I was so stoked, oh my God. I'm also gonna be doing the thing, trying to remember what's what while also driving, because I'm filming 2 cameras and yeah, boys got a hard time doing 2 things at once. What a weapon. This thing's such a unit. Let's go this way. I'm trying to get like more back roads today. They're gonna be pretty shitty because we actually got a snowstorm like 3 or 4 days ago. We got like another foot of snow, but should be decent enough that we can get some action, you know what I'm saying? That dude is sweating. Good for you, brother. God damn, bro. Click down a gear real quick. Oof. We're definitely probably max fuel capacity now as far as injectors and probably the high pressure fuel pump. Pretty sure we're capped on both of those for now, but that's kind of the heads up of the whole new setup that's coming. So yeah, I'm a little excited. Yep, that's too fast for that road. God damn, dude. If I was only gonna run this on back roads, this would be the perfect setup right now. But you know, we gotta push the limits you know, naturally. But I also, you know, I wouldn't argue with having like the fastest GTI in New Hampshire if I could get to that status. Wouldn't really argue with it. Oh, baby. You know, if you really feather second, it's actually still pretty usable. You just gotta not be a goober. That's everybody's problem with this car is they're like, oh, it just blows the tires off. Yeah, if you're just flat footing the whole time, bro. Tell you what though, running 2 cameras, ooh, it's a lot of work. Bro, the best part about having the stick on is having people like, love it. You know things start getting kind of fast when you're like drive mode, you know? I noticed lately when I'm ripping on this, like when I, you know, off camera, I'm pretty focused. Oh my God, I love this thing so much. For now on, 360 cams are referred to as the stick. This could go one of 2 ways. Shit. Will the police officer care that there's a camera on my car? No way. No way. No way. Kind of thought the giant stick hanging off the back of my car would have provoked a little bit of interest. We back in the car, bros. You already know. Yo, I got a microphone to talk into now. Isn't that sick? It is 32 degrees out. My mount for my 360 cam fell off of the car because it is too cold, so I'm not putting that on the back of the car because it is quite expensive. So, if you made it to this point, go down and hit the like button for your boy. Your boys now. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.